Walensky from the Costly Pearl in Baltimore, Maryland. I bought a staging wall. In my house, I have a workshop in the basement, but when you come in our side door, you have to take a sharp turn, and I can't fit big pieces down there. So what I do, I know it's crazy, but it's what I do at this point in time. If I have big projects, I use my foyer because we don't really use our foyer. We come in through the side door and through the back door. So if I have a dresser or a chaise or something on the larger side, I'll put a drop cloth down in here. I'll do it, and I thought, well, I want a staging wall so I can really stage things nice. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so I thought it'd be fun for you guys to watch me set it up tonight. So anyway, I've set up this frame right here. I got it on Amazon. It's called, the company is eMart. It was $49.99. It comes with these beautiful little packing things. The backdrop didn't come with it. I got one that I'm going to show you that's like a really neat distressed brick. And I also got a black one for doing some different type things. So yeah, we're going to set that up. And I think it's going to be a really nice addition to help me with staging my furniture. So here we go. Oh, you like my haircut? I got my haircut today. I like it. It's just getting too hot, and all I did was put it in a ponytail. So I'm like, I'm just getting it cut. So here is the backdrop. And by the way, this was $39. So overall, I think it's a good investment. What I was gonna say is, that's adjustable, and it's a little bit long for this room. I don't think I'm ever gonna really need something that wide. So what I'm probably going to do is take my brick wall and cut this down to maybe like 8 feet wide or something. It doesn't need to be that. Because you'll see as I get this up there, this really has to be stretched and taut for it to look good. Had to turn the fan on, it's getting hot in here. Okay, so I have it pretty taut on top. I'm gonna raise the sides, then we're gonna clamp it. What I didn't show you guys about this that makes it really cool is that it came with a bottom that's like a panel floor. So how cool is that, right? So I can actually, you know, like say you were doing this on the basement or outside and you wanted to make it look like it was inside. How cool is that? Come on. Not too bad. I mean, it would definitely be easier with a second person, but it's not too bad. So I'm gonna stage some furniture in front of this. We'll take a look at that. And then I'm gonna zoom it out so it makes it really look like a distressed wall. This is a cool product, I love it. What you think? Let me have your comments. But I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. It's easy to set up, And the canvas actually is very durable, so I am really happy with it. I will post the links to the products. I'm not getting any crazy affiliate anything from that. I just wanted to show you guys this because I thought it would be fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.